So there's actually 3 Filipino short films under this program, and it will screen again on Sunday at 7:30 p.m. Congrats, John and Shireen. They are the producers of the 2 Filipino films in this festival. Merchandise. I got stickers from the info booth. So guys, if you wanna watch the Seoul International Women's Film Festival, you just come here at the World Cup Stadium Megabox. Audience Lounge, it's ongoing until the 30th, Wednesday, August 30. And these are the details about the